In this video, we're going to show you exactly how to turn YouTube transcripts into blog articles quickly and easily. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to take any YouTube video, extract the transcript, and transform it into a fully fledged blog post ready to go live on your website. And if you stay till the end, I'll share a special free trial for the software we'll be using in this tutorial, exclusively for viewers of my channel. So, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to your YouTube video. Click on the three dots below the video and select Open Transcript. This will bring up the full transcript of the video, which we'll use as the foundation for our blog article. If you're working with your own video, you're good to go, but if it's someone else's video, make sure you're respecting copyright rules before using the content. Next, once you have the transcript open, you'll want to copy everything. Take the full text of the transcript and paste it into your document, editor, or word processor. It's important to clean up the text a bit at this point. You'll notice that YouTube transcriptions are far from perfect, so you may need to remove timestamps and fix any awkward sentences that don't flow well. Now here's where the magic happens. Instead of just posting the raw transcript, you're going to start shaping it into a blog article. The key here is to focus on structure. Break up the text into paragraphs that flow logically. Introduce headings where appropriate. Use bullet points or numbered lists to make the content more digestible. If the transcript has a conversational tone, you'll want to tweak it into something more formal, depending on your audience. Keep sentences clear and concise to make the content more readable. If something in the transcript is irrelevant or off topic, remove it. The goal is to provide value to your readers. Next, use subheadings to divide the content into smaller sections. This will help with readability and SEO. For example, if the transcript is about SEO tips from a YouTube video, you could turn sections into subheadings like keyword research or on-page SEO tips. Not only does this help break down the content, but it also gives you a great opportunity to optimize for SEO by including relevant keywords. Once you've organized the content, it's time to add a strong introduction and a conclusion. The intro should summarize what the article is about and grab the reader's attention right away. The conclusion should wrap everything up and encourage the reader to take action, like signing up for your newsletter or checking out more of your content. Now let's talk about the software we'll be using to make this whole process smoother. The software we'll be using helps you organize, clean up, and even enhance your transcript with smart AI features that'll speed up your writing process. It's perfect for turning raw video content into professional quality blog posts in no time. I've tried out several different tools, but this one is by far the most efficient, and it even comes with a free trial for you to try out. I've linked it in the description below, so make sure to grab it if you want to follow along. The key takeaway here is that turning YouTube transcripts into blog articles is all about organizing the content, removing unnecessary elements, and formatting it in a way that adds value for your readers. It's a simple yet powerful process that can save you tons of time. And by using the right software, you can do it even faster. Let's quickly recap the main steps. 1. Open the YouTube transcript and clean it up. 2. Organize the content into a clear structure with headings, subheadings, and bullet points. 3. Edit for clarity and readability, tailoring it to your audience. 4. Add a strong intro and conclusion to complete the article. And don't forget, take advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software we've been using. It's linked in the description below. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.